Hello everyone. Digital communication. Multiple choice questions with answers. First question. Dash is represented in average number of bits of information per second. Information rate is the correct answer. Or second question. The two code word of the dash are added by the modulo to arithmetic. Then it produces the third code word in the code. Linear code. Linear code is the correct answer. Next question. The dash depends only on the error pattern and not on the transmitted code word. Syndrome is the correct answer. Syndrome depends only on the error pattern. The number of ones in the code word of the Hamming code is called dash. Hamming weight. Hamming weight is the correct answer. Next question. The dash digital data transmission system consists of source encoder and modulator in the transmitter. Bandpass. Bandpass is the correct answer. Bandpass digital data transmission system. The dash is required in coherent detection method to generate a coherent reference at the receiver. Carrier synchronization. Carrier synchronization is the correct answer. The local carrier generated at the receiver is dash with the carrier at the transmitter. Phase lock. Phase lock is the correct answer. Dash is used to study the effect of ISI in baseband transmission. I pattern. I pattern is the correct answer. I pattern is used to study the effect of ISI in baseband transmission. The optimum linear receiver is realized with the help of dash equalizer, zero forcing. Human ear does not perceive the noise in a given frequency band if it is dash decibel. Below the signal level is that band. 15 decibel is the correct answer. 15 decibel. Human ear does not perceive the noise in the given frequency band if it is 15 decibel below the signal level in that band. Dash changes its step size according to variance of the input signal. Adaptive quantizer. Adaptive quantizer is the correct answer. Delta modulation encodes the dash bit per sample, hence signaling rate is reduced in dm. 1 bit sample is the correct answer. 1 bit per. Delta modulation encode 1 bit per sample is the correct answer. The sample of quantizer output and prediction error are used to derive estimates of predictor coefficient is called dash. APB adaptive predication with backward estimation. APB is the correct answer. Adaptive predication with backward estimation is the correct answer. Next question. Dash length coding is done by source encoder to get a higher efficiencies. Variables. Variable is the correct answer. Variable length coding. Dash algorithm is used to encode the messages depending upon their probabilities. Shannon-Fanon is the correct answer. Shannon-Fanon algorithm is used to encode the messages depending upon the probabilities. Dash distortion occur mainly due to fixed step size that cannot follow the rate of the rise of input signal. Slope overload. Slope overload distortion is the correct answer. Slope overload. The minimum distance of the linear block code is equal to minimum weight of any dash in the code. Non-zero in the code. Minimum variance dash can be obtained by placing combined probabilities as high as possible. Hoffman code. Hoffman code is the correct answer. The dash is defined as the amount of information transferred when xi is transmitted and yi is received. Mutual information. Mutual information is defined as the amount of information transferred when xi is transmitted and yi is received. Mutual information is the correct answer. Next question. Entropy will be dash when all the messages have same probability of occurrence. Maximum. Entropy will be maximum when all the messages have same probability of occurrence. Maximum is the correct answer. The phase as well as amplitude of the quadrature carrier is small letter is called dash. QAPSK. Quadrature amplitude phase shift keying is the correct answer. The demodulator output is quantized into more than 2 level. Hence, decoder operate on dash made by demodulator. Soft decisions. Soft decisions is the correct answer. Check the description box. Check the description box for more questions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel Chrome. Share this video to your friends. Next video we'll see another important multiple choice questions as well as theory questions. Thank you.